today I'm going to show you how to fix your dryer, because my dryer is not working. It's not heating up. Everything is spinning and I see the igniter light coming on and glowing and then dying and then coming on again and dying. No heat's coming out, nothing's getting dry. So I am going to replace the coils myself. The first thing you're going to do is unplug. Take out your lint filter, and then these two screws right here, we're going to pop the top off. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this, pop the top off, and then I will come back to you when we get inside. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took the lint filter out. There's two screws right here. You're going to unscrew those, and then after those are out, come up to the front, just maybe a putty knife, flathead screwdriver, prop that up like this. It stays open. Okay, inside here, this little gizmo here is really hard to pull apart. It's locked. These two things right here. So I got a very tiny screwdriver and I just jimmied it underneath like this to kind of lift up. And pull out. There. So you gotta detach that. Now, with a socket wrench, I want you to see that there are two screws in here. That's gonna pull the face off. Get the face off, you're going to lift up. I'm going to pull it up, and then I will come back to you after we pull this off. Figure this out. Huh, look at that. No baby girls and boys. Now let's look under here, and oh, there's the coils. Very easy. Here's my coils for my Kenmore Whirlpool, actually. Whirlpool LG. I'll get you the part number later. All right. Okay, so we've just pulled the front off, and I wanted to show you where the coils are. See, here's my new coils. Here's the old coils. There's just two little screws right here that you're going to remove. I've done that a little ahead of time so you don't have to painfully watch that. These are keyed, so just keep in mind the way that they're facing, because when you go to put everything back, everything needs to fit. See the little white pieces fitting right in there? Make sure you remember that. Then you're going to just pull the coil off. This is also keyed, so I have my little jimmy tool here, because you can't just pop them off. You have to kind of pry them. Here's the bigger one. Change it out now. There we go. Okay. Keyed in. There's the new one. I'll put it right back in like that. Here's the old one. Pop that off. Old one, new one. Pop that right in. And that goes. Oh, almost screwed that up. Keys right back in place. There we go. Now I'm going to put the screws back in. And then I'm going to fire it up. I'm going to put everything back together and just fire it up and see that it works. And then we're going to have a voila moment. Okay, so I just put it all back together and I'm going to give it a test run now, okay? And make sure to plug it back in and everything. And let's see down here. Down here is where I'm going to see what goes on. Ooh, the light's going on. The light's going on. Here's the flame. Yes! Yes! We did it, girls. Fixed it, girls. Okay, now let's dry some clothes.